What's going on, folks? Will Stewart here with Will Stewart 365, and we are back with another unboxing and first impressions. Let's see if this fragrance smashes the box. What's going on, folks? Today I have got a massive Mancera and Montal haul in for you guys today. I've opened it up because I wanted to split these up in between each and every. There's just too many that came in one order for me to do an unboxing straight up, cutting the box from the person or the supplier, which I got this order in from Joma's shop. You can get Mancera fragrances and Montal fragrances at amazing prices over at jomashop.com. Not sponsored by them at all. I simply just shop there a lot. So if I'm going to tell you guys where you can find good deals on stuff that smells really good, we're going to do that. And today we are going to be taking a look at Mancera Aoud Lemon and Mint. And this isn't a fall one, but I've heard that this is an absolute amazing fragrance from the house of Mancera. And I really love lemon and mint type of fragrances. As you can see, this one is sealed. I have not opened it. I have not smelt this before. We've got a gold box here. It's really hard to read the lettering. This is an Eau de Parfum concentration, 4 fluid ounce. I got the big bottle here because I heard this is an absolute summer and springtime monster. So we're gonna open this up. We're gonna take it out of its wrapping. We're gonna show you the box. Got a typical Mancera box here. On the back, you've got your barcode, your product information, where it's made, all of that good stuff. Looks like on the bottom here, you do have batch codes and all of that good stuff printed onto the box itself. You've also got nothing really on the sides. On the front here, that we're gonna open this up. Opening the box up, you're gonna see that's gonna come out. Boom, we get one of those really sweet Mancera bags. Look, I really like this because you can put a lot of these fragrances, you know, take them with you traveling and stuff like that. You don't have to worry about the bottle or the glass getting nicked or bouncing against other things. So when you put this in your toiletry bag and go on trips or whatnot, you can really use these. I like it. I think it's a good idea. I wish more fragrances came with these things, but they're cool and they look good on the shelf. They help protect it from the sun and all that stuff. So we've got the bottle here. You do have that really cool blue, green to yellow gradient on the bottle. You do have all of your information on here, where it's made. Batch code is 22J301C, etc., etc., etc. The concentration, all of that great stuff. So this one here is the lift off cap. It is not the screw on one. The cap is magnetic, so that's cool. You got the magnetic cap on there. That's really cool. It's definitely not it's a pretty good magnetic cap. Holds it on there, so that's good. I wouldn't shake it too hard on there, but it's probably safe enough to lift. But we're gonna spray this one on here and we are going to see how this one smells. 1, 2, 3. Good, decent atomizer on here. Maybe it's a little bit pressurized. You do get that? Let's take a sniff. So this one here for me is green. Definitely get that lemon, but the mint I'm gonna say is probably playing into that. But yeah, this is a good one. I can already tell. Maybe it has like maybe it has like a little bit of vetiver into it. So let's take a look from the notes here. Look at the Parfumo and we will check it out. So we've got Sicilian lemon in the top, almond. I love a good almond note. Black pepper and coriander. In the middle, you've got mint, jasmine, oud, patchouli. At this price, I'm not really sure if it's going to be a real oud or not. But then in the base, you got white musk, amber, Haitian vetiver. So there is vetiver in it. You can definitely smell the vetiver. Vanilla and leather. So it's a very unique scent. I was expecting it to be a little bit more fresh than it is. It's definitely a fresh one, but it's not as fresh as you think. You can definitely smell the woods in this. You can smell the vetiver, you can smell the woods, you can smell the lemon, but the lemon isn't as pronounced as I thought it would be. Hey, look, it smells for me like it's a little bit, I don't know, I don't really have anything in it. I don't really have anything in my collection that is exactly like this. I like it though, man. I'll tell you what, this one here for me, presentation wise, you know, I'm gonna go, I like this kind of the simplicity of the Mancera bottles with the bag and everything. Presentation wise, I'm gonna go magnetic cap, you know, logo engraved on the top here of the cap and all that good stuff, right? So I'm gonna give this one a really good, you know, say 9 out of 10 for presentation. Scent wise, I'm gonna say, you know, it's a good 8.5. Get a good 8.5 out of 10. Versatility, I really think that you could probably wear this spring, summer, maybe even early fall. Because I mean, it's fresh, but it's woody. It's got vetiver. There's depth to it. And if in the dry down, if that vanilla kind of pops through, I think you could really get away with pulling this one off in the fall too, to be honest with you. And look, I'm gonna tell you, I think this is a great one. I have Cedro Boise right now, and I also have can't remember the other one I got, but I have another Mancera fragrance too, and I would say that this one's gonna, you know, be right up there with Cedro Boise. And you know, for the prices that you can get this on Joma Shop, I would say check it out, folks. Mancera Aoud Lemon Mint definitely smashes the box. Definitely a blind buy worthy scent. It's a Mancera fragrance, so I'm sure the longevity and the projection on this one is going to be really good. Check it out. You might like it. I like it. Let me know down in the comments below if you like it. Make sure you hit that subscribe and like button as well. It really helps out the channel. We will see you guys next time. I'm out of here. Peace.